Hi guys, today we have a delicious cookie recipe. So stay with me as I continue the video. To start, 50 grams of cocoa powder, 120 grams of white sugar, and mix 50 grams of vegetable oil well. After mixing well, add 2 eggs to the bowl and mix. We add 120 grams of all-purpose flour to our mixture. 5 grams of baking powder. 1 gram of salt. Mix them well with a spoon. After it is well mixed, add 20 grams of chopped walnuts and 15 grams of chocolate chips. We rest it in the freezer for 1 hour. After an hour, we take it out of the freezer. Using a scoop or a spoon, we separate some of the ingredients. And we put oil paper on the tray. If you like me, you can put chocolate chips on them. In the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. After 10 minutes, we take it out of the oven, and after it cools down, we put it in the dish. Thank you for being with me until the end of the video. I will be happy if you subscribe to the channel and like the video. Enjoy your meal.